Welcome to your 30-minute Yoga Nidra, moving through the natural world. You can begin by lying down comfortably on your back, legs slightly apart, arms can rest beside you, maybe with palms open to the sky. If you'd like, you can cover yourself with a blanket to stay warm. Find a position that is most comfortable for you and sustainable to remain still throughout the entire practice. Close your eyes and allow the body to settle into stillness. Begin to notice the sounds around you. Any sounds you hear outside of the room. Bring awareness to your natural breath. Turn your attention to the sound of your heartbeat. You can feel the rise of your belly with each inhale and a gentle fall with each exhale. With every breath, feel yourself softening into the ground. Allow your body to be fully supported by the earth beneath you. And relax the shoulders. Let go of any effort. And just for this now moment, let go of the outside world. You are safe and you are held. Now bring your attention to your heart space, your energetic heart center, located just behind the sternum in the center of the chest. Here, plant the seed of your sankalpa, your heart's deepest desire, your personal intention. Let it arise naturally. You can trust what comes. It may be something you wish to grow into, maybe something you're already becoming, or perhaps something you're ready to let go of and release. State it clearly and silently to yourself in the present tense as if it's already true. Repeat your sankalpa 3 times within your heart, and you can feel its truth ripple through you. Now we'll move awareness through the body. As each part of the body is named, simply bring your attention here, sensing, feeling, relaxing, and allowing energy to flow. Begin on the right side. Right hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, the palm of the hand, back of the hand, right wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, right shoulder, right chest, right waist, right hip, thigh, knee, calf, right ankle, right heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the right foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the whole right side of the body, relaxed and awake in awareness. And now move to the left side. Left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, left wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, left chest, left waist, left hip, thigh, knee, calf, left ankle, heel, the sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the whole left side, relaxed and awake in awareness. And now bring attention to the back body, heels, calves, backs of the knees, thighs, hips, lower back, upper back, shoulder blades, backs of the arms, neck, back of the head, the whole back body resting heavy on the earth. And now move your awareness to the front body, forehead, eyebrows, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eyeball, left eyeball, the space behind the right eyeball, the space behind the left eyeball, the bridge of the nose, right cheek, left cheek, the tip of the nose, upper lip, lower lip, the tongue in the mouth, right side of the jaw, left side of the jaw, throat, collarbones, chest, abdomen, pelvis. The entire front body is soft and open. Now bring the sides of the body together. Feel the right foot. Feel the left foot. Feel both feet together. Feel the full right leg. Feel the full left leg. Feel both legs together. Feel the right hand. Feel the left hand. Feel both hands together. Feel the right arm. Feel the left arm. Feel both arms together. Feel your full back and spine. Feel your abdomen and your chest. Feel front body and back body together. Feel your face and your head. Feel your face and head together. Now sense your whole body as one. resting in awareness, the entire body calm, steady, and completely at ease. Bring your awareness to your breath. Notice its natural rhythm, in and out, rising and falling of the chest. Allow each breath to deepen slightly, softening the body even more. And now begin to count your breaths backwards. 29 down to 1. I am breathing in 29. I am breathing out 29. Continue silently at your own pace. If you lose count, begin again at 29. When you're ready, let go of the count. And simply rest in the rhythm of your breath. Notice any sensations that may be present within your body. Lightness, heaviness, warmth or coolness, stillness or subtle vibration. Become aware of any contrast, comfort, discomfort, expansion, contraction. You could feel your chest, your lungs expanding on your inhale breaths, and the lungs gently contracting on your exhale breaths. And feel into this without judgment, just awareness, just noticing. Feel your body alive with sensation. Now bring awareness to your emotional landscape. What feelings are present right now? There's no need to change them or analyze them. Simply notice what is here. Perhaps peace, gratitude, tenderness, or restlessness. Allow your emotions to flow like waves, arising and fading on their own, at their own pace, in their own time. Welcome each one, each emotion, each feeling, and soften into the space of awareness. Now allow any images from your subconscious to arise. You may notice flashes of light, color, memories, or imagination. Allow them to come and go freely and witness them as they appear while remaining detached, curious, and open. You are the awareness behind the images. And there's no need to identify with anything that comes up. You remain calm, still, the observer. Imagine now you're standing at the beginning of a path in nature. Visualize your surroundings. You can feel the air fresh and the light soft and golden. And you begin walking slowly, barefoot upon the earth beneath you. You can feel the ground underfoot, the textures, cool, alive, steady. You feel the forest around you humming with quiet life. Leaves rustle gently in the breeze. As you walk by, you may feel branches brush up against your shoulder. You can hear a distant stream, water gently flowing over smooth stones. As you continue walking, you notice the textures of bark and moss, the colors. The air smells of pine and rain, and sunlight filters through the canopy of trees above, warm on your skin. With every step, you feel more connected to the earth. You feel your body in rhythm with nature's pulse. A path opens into a clearing, a wide meadow filled with wildflowers. You walk into this open space, feeling the warmth of the sun on your face and the soft grass beneath your feet. A gentle breeze moves through, carrying the scent of flowers and earth. Here in this sacred space, you find a spot and sit down on the grass. The world around you becomes quiet. You close your eyes and you take a deep, cleansing breath in. And as you exhale, feel yourself letting go of tension, letting go of worry, letting go of anything you no longer need or no longer wish to carry on your journey. In this space of sacred stillness, you sense the presence of a being, an energy, higher self. Your inner wisdom, calm and loving. And you feel this presence approach you like a warm light. This light brings awareness and healing to every part of you that needs it. It may reveal to you an image, a symbol, or a feeling of peace. Receive this gift with gratitude. And take a moment to thank your higher self for this gift of awareness. Knowing that you can return to this space whenever you need support, clarity, or renewal. Now silently repeat your sankalpa, the intention you planted at the beginning. Let it echo gently through your whole being. Begin to retrace your steps. See yourself leaving the meadow, walking back along the path through the forest. Notice the sound of the stream, the rustle of the leaves, and the soft earth underfoot. Gradually, the forest begins to fade, and you return to this present moment. You can see your body resting here. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel your chest rise and fall. Notice the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground. Take a few quiet moments to reflect on your journey. Notice how you feel. The sense of calm, the spaciousness within. If you haven't already, you may repeat your Sankalpa 3 times silently. Begin to bring gentle movement back into your body. And wiggle your fingers and your toes. Rotate through your wrists and ankles. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. And when you're ready, you can softly roll to one side and rest there for a moment. And slowly come to a seated position. Keep your eyes closed or gaze soft, allowing your awareness to settle. Take a final moment to honor this practice, the rest you've given yourself, and the stillness. Gently bring your palms together at your heart and breathe into your heart space one more time. Full breath in. And you can exhale to soften the shoulders. Let us be protected. Let us be nourished. Let the light of our understanding spread without limits. May we always support each other. No animosity amongst each other. Let there be peace within, peace in nature, and peace amongst all beings. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete.